In this video, I'm going to show you very short how to buy, how to choose a hosting plan on Hostinger. So what you're going to have to do here is just head over to hostinger.com, and then from here we have WordPress, we have website builder, and we also have hosting here. So if you click on hosting, you have a couple of options here. You have web hosting, cloud hosting, VPS hosting, business email. We're gonna click on let's say I like to choose I like to go with web hosting, and then from here you can click on claim here, let's say, or you can also pick your plan. So let's say you can choose your plan now. So you can also choose how long you want the subscription to be. Let's say I'll go with this plan. Okay, and now here from here I can choose for how long I want the subscription to be, the period. So you can choose from 1 month to 12 months to 24 months to 84 months. And now let's say I'll go with 1 month and I'll click on continue. Also, you can use a coupon, and you just need now to log in to create an account. Maybe just put your email address and make an account. You can if you want to make it more even easier, you can just use your Facebook or Google. But now it's just to create an account. You can also log in if you already have an account. You can enter your login or sign up. Okay, and now finally you just need to you're paying with the credit card. You're gonna have to enter your credit card and hit the submit. For other ways of paying, you can also click on submit secure payment and follow the instruction they give you. Okay, now what if you already have an account, you logged in, you bought a service, you bought a plan, you already have a plan? Well, if you already have here on the Hostinger, if you want to buy another plan, you're gonna have to go to marketplace here, and then here you're gonna see our products. Okay, here you can explore for web hosting, for domains, for emails, for services, for other, and all products here for web hosting you can choose and find